What's going on, folks? This is a trip me and my friend Louie took a couple weeks ago on the Catawba River. Me and Louie, we met back in 2013 off the Catfishing One website. We've had a lot of good trips together. At the time, this is my personal best right here, 28 pounds. We've been through quite a few boats. I think I've been through 2 or 3. He's been through 2 or 3. Got a lot of good memories together. Fished the river a lot, Lake Wiley, and Stumpy Pond too. Here's the start of the trip. Louie landed a little blue there. First blue of the day, actually the first fish of the day. Here he's got a gar. We tore the gar up today. Louie really caught a big one towards the end. We caught a few cats too, but we had a lot of fun reeling these gar in. If y'all don't know, gar kind of hard to get on. You kind of gotta just let them take it and run for a while before you can get them. I put some live brim on, fishing in front of this log jam over here. Caught a couple good ones out here. I missed a good one here. Right here's a picture of the brim he hit. Scaled him off, and I didn't get him. But I did catch one at that little hole right there. Caught another gar. We fished here for, I don't know, 3 or 4 hours. Then we decided to change spots. And Louie got a good gar right here. He caught 2 nice gar right here. The camera, I had left the camera on recording nothing for like 45 minutes, so it really killed one of my batteries, so I didn't get to film the rest of our trip. I did take some pictures. This guy right here is feisty. It's a nice sized gar though. I've caught one close to this size before. Louie said he's caught one bigger than this before. I mean, this is a pretty nice gar. Here's the last gar Louie caught. He ate a whole perch. I mean, a big perch. Look at that perch. And I ended up catching one more cat over here. It's the last fish of the day. Not too bad. Thanks for watching, y'all. Please subscribe. I'm still doing a $50 gift card giveaway. Thanks. You have a blessed day.